Alright then guys, welcome to the next video. Today we're going to be doing side skirts, fitting side skirts to the car. MAXTON design ones again, because obviously we got the ones for the last video and we were doing the front splitter, and now we're going to be doing the fitting the side skirts because the last ones didn't fit. So there's the splitter, as you can see, looking a bit dirty, but it's alright. And then obviously these are the new side skirts from MAXTON design. They got the badge on them. One of them on that side as well. That's the packaging. So yeah, we're just going to start fitting these now. Going to check the fitment, check it's all alright, and then yeah, we'll get started on fitting them. Alright, so basically guys, because I've put the mud flaps on, the way it fits, it does fit, just because the way I've fitted them is pushing it back a little bit, and there's like a smaller mud flap on that side, so I'm going to cut a bit of that mud flap away, and then it should fit perfectly, and it should be alright. So yeah, we'll get cutting that off, and then hopefully it should fit. Then we start screwing it to the car and putting all the bolts on, and then yeah, it's going to look hard. So see you in a sec. Okay, so basically guys, as from that little clip you just saw me do, there was like a little flap here, but it's still there, but I've just cut it away from here because the side skirts have to go there basically, so that they can't be in anything blocking them, because otherwise they don't fit properly. So yeah, so I've cut that away and figured out, so basically I was lining up the other side and figured out I'll have to cut some of the mud flap. So I'm gonna take the mud flap off now, cut it so it fits. I've already cut one because I was just measuring up like on my own before I videoed it, and yeah, that's how much I have to cut out of it. So I mean, you can't see it when it's on and the side skirt's on, but obviously it doesn't look the best. But yeah, we'll get that on, so we'll start cutting that now, do another time lapse of that, and yeah, then we can start fitting the side skirts to the car. Right, okay, so guys, I've got the time lapse went off because my phone's just going off the app at the same time, so I didn't get the full time lapse. But basically, yeah, so I've cut that out now. It's a bit better than that one. That one was the first one. Yeah, so I've cut that out now. I'm going to go line it up with the skirt and the cars. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'll have to cut out a bit more, and hopefully I'll time lapse this time. So yeah, we'll go see now if it fits. And yeah, line up the skirt with it. So just leave you here, and alright, so guys, first thing you need to do is wipe all the dirt off the bottom of the car. So basically I'm going to apply glue to this and stick it onto the underneath. I'll show you on the other side because I've already stuck that one on now. But yeah, just cleaning the bottom of the car to get all the dirt off so the glue sticks better. It's been cleaned all straight up. See, so as you can see guys, that's where it sticks on. Just cleaning all. So yeah, so there's the side skirt. I've already fitted this one because I had to figure out my method of doing it, and basically covered all the top of the side skirt with glue, and then I just packed it up with some wood so it stays, so it's like it's constantly held against the metal. Yeah, so when that's dried enough for me to take the wood away, I can do the other side and do the same thing, and then I'll screw this side, and then we'll wait for the other one dry and screw the other side. So yeah, that's how it's looking. I have cut all the notches out of for the jacking points. I've taken the mud flaps off so I can stick them on, and then I'll recut the mud flaps if I need to make them fit properly. But yeah, as you can see though, it's gonna look pretty cool. Just get the idea of it there. Looking pretty nice. MAXTON design. Logo there. So yeah, catch you when I start sticking that side on. So then guys, as you can see, that side skirt's on. It's just being held up at the back with a bit of wood still, just whilst the seal goes, the sealant sticks a bit more. I still need to screw it with the self-tapping nuts, but I've just got this. I'm just doing this video so you can see the difference in each side now. Like, so as you can see, it just looks so much wider and lower. It just makes it look a lot, and it follows the splitter, so it makes it just like a little bit nicer. So yeah, I'll show you the full process of putting this on now on the other side, so you can do it yourself basically. Right, and so first guys, you got to put the tiger seal on the actual thing. You need to be careful not to get it on the bit that's like not that you see, like you want to keep it.
So make sure you put plenty on it.
Oh, you put some plenty on. Okay, let's go see it.
Smooth it. See, you can get it in this movement, yeah, that's like this bit of yeah. So basically guys, you put that on, and then you put it onto the wood, and then you go and wedge it up so it holds it in position, and then wait for it to dry, and then when you take it off, the skirt will stay there, and the sealant will be dry, and it'll keep it up, and then I'll go and self-tap screws through it to keep it on there. Keep it on the car indefinitely so they don't fall off when I'm driving. But the tiger seal should probably keep it on anyway.
So I put it all the way down the screen to the back bit there.
Right, so you just want to lift it on, you want to line it up. You can feel how it fits, you know? Yeah. And then you just want to pack it, man. So there's a wedge. You want to pack it at the front though, and you want to pack it behind. So
Yeah, I'll pack it behind some of the fencing. This side's in.
Alright, and I'll show you this, guys. So as you can see, we've wedged it on the back bit and the front, so it's level, so it's not going just like angled down. Done it in the middle, at the front and the back. And obviously I did them cutouts before, so you can still access the jack stands, if you can see that. I'll show you on the other side. So as you can see, where I did that cutout is just for where the strong point is on the frame, so you can jack up the car still without breaking the plastic. So yeah, that's that one on. Just needs self-tapping, so I'll do that in a minute and then I'll show you how I've done that, and then that's the side skirts on the car. It's gonna be looking cool. Right, and so guys, the sealant's all dried on this side now. I left it overnight, but yeah, and it doesn't take that long, but I just left it overnight because I couldn't be bothered to take it out yet. Yeah, so I'll do a quick time lapse of me removing all this wood, and then we'll screw both sides to the bottom of the car, so it's just to ensure they don't fall off when we're driving. Yeah, but they look good. I'll show you the other side so you can see. It's quite subtle, but it's quite a nice just finishing touch at the bottom of it. Just makes it look that little bit meaner, a little bit lower as well. So yeah, quick time lapse of this and then start drilling the holes in the bottom of the car. So then guys, as you can see, there are all the self-tappers along there. There's 10 along there. They're quite hard to fit, to be fair. But you've just got to drill straight up. So yeah, I've got to do this side now. So I'll do a time lapse on this one. I was just doing that one to see that I could do it and make sure it was all going to go well. So yeah, start doing that now. Use my drill. There are the other self-tappers, just what they look like. Got like a bit on the end to cut the metal, but yeah, so do a time lapse of that, and then that's the side skirts fully on. So guys, as you've seen, I've fitted the mud flaps back on now. I had to cut them just to fit around the splitter, because the side skirts, because it goes all the way to the end. But yeah, I'm going to show you the car now. That'll be it for today's video, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.